Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing YouCam Perfect and Krea AI. Both use AI for visuals, but they are built for very different words. Which one should you use to boost your personal brand or finance content? Let's get right to it. When we look at ease of use, YouCam Perfect is beginner friendly and has one-tap edit, while Krea AI is advanced and requires prompts and some learning. When we look at AI tools, YouCam Perfect has retouch, beautify, and background removal, while Krea AI has AI image generation, custom styles, and text-to-image. When we look at the price, YouCam Perfect has a free plan plus budget-friendly premium plan, while Krea AI is mostly paid plans and has higher tiered pricing. When we look at who or what they are best for, YouCam Perfect is best for selfies, LinkedIn headshots, and branding pictures, while Krea AI is best for creating unique finance visuals and marketing campaigns. When we look at the speed, YouCam Perfect gives you instant edits, while Krea AI is fast but depends on prompts and creativity. When we look at the output style, YouCam Perfect is polished, professional, and clean, while that of Krea AI is bold, futuristic, and unique because it's AI-generated art. Now let's look at the conclusion. You see, YouCam Perfect is all about speed and polish. It's about making your profile photos and branding look clean in seconds. Krea AI, on the other hand, is a creativity powerhouse. It lets you generate unique visuals, perfect for finance ads, futuristic presentations, or standout campaigns. So if you want quick, professional edits, go with YouCam Perfect. But if you want a one-of-a-kind AI visual, Krea AI is the winner. Which one would you pick in your finance journey? Drop your thoughts below, hit the like button and subscribe for more smart comparisons only here at Twoguysfinance.